Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 delicious keto casserole recipes. I love casseroles, you guys, and you can definitely make them keto friendly. So I'm going to share with you 2 of my favorite. I'm going to do a chicken green chili creamy casserole, and then I'm going to do like a taco bake casserole. I'm going to use ground turkey. We can totally use ground beef also. So I'm going to do those 2 casseroles. I'm going to share them with you guys today, and they're both so good, you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Put a like on this video if you guys like keto recipes, and all my recipes are also super easy. So if you like easy, if you like healthy, this is the channel to be at, you guys. So I'm gonna get these 2 casseroles going. I will show you how I make them. They're so good, you guys, so I'm gonna get them all made up. The first one I'm gonna make is this creamy chicken casserole, so good. So I have half a brick of cream cheese, and I have half a cup of sour cream, and then I'm going to add in, I have heavy whipping cream, 3/4 of a cup. I have a can of diced green chilies. I absolutely love diced green chilies. Like, I always make sure my pantry has a stock of them to add into so many different recipes. They make everything so good with tons of flavor. And I'm going to add in some onion powder, chili powder, and ground cumin. I'm going to mix all of this up, and it is going to be such a delicious sauce to add onto the chicken for this casserole. So I have my baking dish. My oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. I have 2 chicken breasts that I poached yesterday and just diced up. You can also use rotisserie chicken or any kind of cooked chicken you'd like. I'm going to add on the sauce over all of the chicken, just a nice little layer, as I'm going to try and coat all the chicken with this delicious sauce. So I'm going to put that layer on, and then I'm going to add a layer of cheddar cheese as well. I mean, all casseroles have to have cheese on top, right? So this is so good, you guys. I am going to bake it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. The casserole's all done. This is really yummy, delicious with a side of steamed broccoli or cauliflower rice because it has so much flavor. The next casserole I'm going to make is going to be like a taco bake. I'm going to do cauliflower rice on the bottom. I'm going to use ground turkey. So this will be nice and healthy, really low carb also. So I'm going to brown my ground turkey. I'm just going to cook it all the way through and add all the other ingredients once the ground turkey is cooked. So I have the cooked ground turkey. I'm going to use a tablespoon of taco seasoning. And you can use ground beef in this also. I just really like ground turkey. It just is super lean and less greasy than ground beef. But I am going to use my 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. I have a half a cup of water, and then I'll just mix all that seasoning around to get onto all of the ground turkey. And then I'm going to add in my other ingredients. I'm going to use a can of corn that is drained and a can of Rotel tomatoes with diced green chilies in them. And then I'll mix all this and I'll be ready to go onto the casserole. So I'm going to put my riced cauliflower, a layer of it, on the bottom of my baking dish. And then I'm going to add on the ground turkey taco mixture on top of that, and then a little shredded cheese on top to top it all off. I'm going to cook this in the oven. I'm going to bake it at 350. My oven's already preheated. I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Everything is already cooked, so we just want to make sure it's heated all the way through and melt all of the cheese. So I have a little layer of sour cream, which goes so good with any kind of like Mexican type casseroles. So just a little layer, just a dollop here and there, and it kind of doesn't really spread very well over the cauliflower rice, but it is really good in this one. So this keto taco bake is all done. So healthy, really delicious, tons of flavors. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. Hope that you enjoyed the first chicken casserole also. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope that you have a really great day, and I will see you next time.